The decision on how to get help with your quality system is an important one. In the beginning, it's not appropriate to bring in somebody full-time. The quality needs for the company aren't there. You don't need anything very complex. And that's a time when working with a consultant is really great. It's important to find a consultant that is an appropriate consultant. And what I mean by that is that someone who's familiar with not only the regulations and the standards, but really familiar with your technology, really genuinely understands the risks. Because where one can sometimes find themselves is if there's a consultant that only understands the standards, then there might be a tendency to require compliance with things that really just are not relevant for that stage of the business. Ultimately, as the company continues to grow and you start moving towards a certified quality system, or you're really making volume of product, in my opinion, the best thing to do is bring in somebody in-house. And the reason for that is that the quality system is very important, and it's something that's essential to building quality product and product that's safe, product that's effective to running the business well. But that person that you're bringing into the house is setting a lot of rules for the way that everybody in the company behaves. And so it's very important that person understands the technology, that they're able to work very closely with R&D in particular, but also clinical operations and general management as well, so that all of those things can be incorporated into the quality system. On the consultant side, which is probably the most timely and relevant phase for you guys, I would just highly recommend leveraging the network. If you work with someone who has worked with your friends or colleagues before, get good reviews, ask them, ask your colleagues and the consultant tough questions about what parts of the quality system are relevant for us now. Can you tell me exactly what that means, how we'd be implementing it? Frankly, if you're not very familiar with quality, can you help us do our first risk mitigation exercise? Can you help us run a design review? Can you explain what design controls mean in the context of our product? And really finding somebody that you can partner with